Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Discord on iPad, quick fix step by step clearly. To start using Discord on your iPad, first, open the App Store. In the search bar, type Discord and tap search. Once the Discord app appears in the results, tap on the Get button to download it. After the app has been installed, find the Discord icon on your home screen and tap to open it. When the app launches, you will see options to log in or create a new account. If you already have an account, enter your email and password to log in. If you're new to Discord, tap on Register to create a new account. Follow the prompts to enter your email, username, and password. After filling in your details, tap Continue to set up your account. You will need to verify your email, so check your inbox for a verification message. Return to the Discord app after verifying your email. Once logged in, you can join servers by tapping the plus icon in the left sidebar. Choose Join a Server and enter the invite link provided to you. If you want to create your own server, tap Create My Own instead. Give your server a name and choose a region that's closest to you. After setting up your server, you can customize channels and roles as needed. To communicate, tap on a channel and start typing in the message box. You can also use voice or video chat by tapping on Adjust your user settings by tapping on your profile icon. Here, you can change your appearance, privacy settings, and notifications. Remember to explore the app settings to make Discord work best for you. Using Discord on iPad makes it easy to stay connected with your friends and communities. Enjoy chatting, sharing, and gaming with others. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation step. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.